time ago, the world was in trouble. Sage Agastya, a wise and kind sage, noticed that in Kali Yuga, the world was becoming darker. People were forgetting kindness, love, and honesty. Greed, anger, and pride were taking over their hearts. Agastya was worried and wanted to help the people. Agastya sat very still and quiet for a long time, meditating on Lord Vishnu, the protector of the universe. He focused deeply, asking Lord Vishnu for guidance and strength to help people become kinder and better. Agastya stayed like this for many days, showing great patience and wisdom. Even though he didn't speak or move, his heart and mind were full of care for everyone. By meditating for such a long time, he taught that staying calm and thinking about what is good can bring powerful answers to make the world a better place. Sage Agastya is in deep meditation beneath the ancient tree. The forest grew still. A golden light began to illuminate the surroundings, filling the air with divine energy. Slowly, Lord Vishnu appeared in the air above Agastya, majestic and radiant. His form shone with celestial brilliance. He gazed upon the sage. With a voice as calm as the ocean yet filled with authority, Lord Vishnu spoke.
O Agastya, my faithful devotee. Your unwavering meditation and devotion have reached me, and I have come to guide you. The world is burdened with darkness, and the light of wisdom must shine to restore balance. To fulfill this purpose, seek the guidance of Lord Hayagriva, the embodiment of supreme knowledge and understanding. He will teach you the sacred truths that will empower you to spread Dharma and inspire others to walk the path of righteousness. Trust in his wisdom, for he is my divine aspect, the keeper of knowledge that will guide you in your mission. Remember, I am always with those who dedicate themselves to truth and compassion. Go with courage, and may your journey bring light to the world.
His voice resonated through the forest. The golden aura surrounding Vishnu grew brighter, filling Agastya's heart with hope and resolve. With folded hands, Sage Agastya bowed deeply, ready to seek Lord Hayagriva's guidance as Vishnu's divine form blessed him before vanishing into the heavens. Dense forests and serene landscapes, Sage Agastya traveled with unwavering determination, carrying Vishnu's instructions in his heart. After days of journeying, he arrived at a sacred clearing where the air seemed charged with divine energy. He saw Lord Hayagriva, the god of wisdom, with his noble horse-like head and a radiant human form. Agastya approached with reverence, bowing low before the serene figure of Hayagriva. With folded hands, he spoke humbly.
Lord Hayagriva, I have come seeking your guidance. Lord Vishnu has sent me to you, saying you hold the wisdom that can guide humanity back to the light. Please teach me the truths I must learn to fulfill this mission.
Agastya knelt before Lord Hayagriva. The god of wisdom looked upon him with serene compassion. Hayagriva raised his hand in blessing, his voice calm and resonant.
Yeah, I see your concern for humanity in this age of Kali Yuga. The challenges are indeed great. Ignorance, greed, and anger have clouded the minds of many. Yet, there is a way to bring light back into the world. Come take rest for today. Tomorrow early in the morning we will start.